Hi, this is Sudeep. I chosen a topic of importance of judiciary. In the life of the citizens of a state, the judiciary is a source of confidence and fearlessness. The common man depends upon a judiciary for getting justice. Without a security of rights and freedom guaranteed by the judiciary, they cannot really hope to carry out their jobs and enjoy their living. They are more dependent upon judiciary than the legislature and the executive. Without a judicial protection, their lives can become miserable. For citizen point of view, judiciary is the most important organ of the government, and the functions of the judiciary and its importance to give justice to the people. The first and foremost function of the judiciary is to give justice to the people whenever they may approach it. Awards punishment to those who, after trial, are found guilty of violating the laws of the state or the rights of the people. The aggrieved citizens can go to the courts for seeking redress and compensation. They can do so either when they fear any harm to the rights or after they have suffered any loss. The judiciary fixes the quantity and quality of punishment to be given to the criminals. It decides all cases involving grant of compensation to the citizens. Interpretation and application of laws. One of the major functions of the judiciary is to interpret and apply laws to specific cases. In the course of deciding the disputes that come before it, the judges interpret and apply laws. Every law needs a proper interpretation. The judiciary is the third organ of the government. It has the responsibilities to apply the laws to specific cases and settle all disputes. The real meaning of law is what the judges decides during the courses of giving their judgments in various cases. From the citizen point of view, judiciary is the most important organ of the government because it acts as their protector against the possible excess of legislative and executive organ of role of judiciary as the guardian protector of the constitution and the fundamental rights of the people make it more respectable than other two organs. The functions of judiciary: the dispenser of justice, protector of the rights of the people, guardian protector of the constitution of the state, arbiter of center state disputes, safeguard against legislative and executive excesses, check against arbitrary exercise of powers by the power holders, guardian of rule of law and justice. The independence of judiciary led by Supreme Court. The Indian Constitution protects the citizens from any partial judgment, and this gives the power to the judiciary to make decisions based on the rules authority. The judiciary of the country is an independent body. The protection of the dignity of an individual is essential of harmony in the society, as its violation can have grave impact on individual in particular and on society in general. Each individual entitled to some rights which inherent to human existence. The disputes resolution: whenever there is a dispute, the court is intervene in providing solution, whatever, whether it is a dispute between citizens and the government, or between two state governments, or even the central and state governments. The court is responsible for dispute resolution. The judicial review: the judiciary has the final hold on the Constitution of India. As such, if there is any violation of the fundamentals of the Constitution, the court can even overview laws passed by the Parliament. This process is called judicial review. The Indian Constitution protects the citizens from any partial judgment, and this gives the power to the judiciary to make decisions based on the rules of the law. In case of any dispute, due to such authority, the judiciary of the country is an independent body. The court of India are not controlled by the government and do not represent and political authority. Such independence allows the judiciary to ensure that there is no misuse of power by any section of the government. The independence of judiciary calls for separation of powers. Thank you.